Hello, everyone. My name is Rebecca, and I'm from Kidney and I'll be introducing you to web development. So, what is web development? Web development is simply building websites, creating visually appealing websites. Apparently, there are three languages that are responsible for building visually appealing websites. Now, there are other things that need to be included. There are other languages that need to be included in web development. But there are three main languages that you can't just put aside. And they are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'll give a brief introduction to HTML, and in the subsequent videos, we're going to delve deeper into HTML and explore everything about HTML. So what does HTML stand for? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a language of the web. It is a language that gives form and structure to our website. Let's say it's in this way. The same way our boards provide form and structure to our body, that is the same way HTML provides form and structure to our website. Without HTML, websites would not really make sense. Well, let's say we are building a sandcastle. If our sandcastle did not have a solid structure, it is going to collapse and it does not make sense. So HTML provides form and structure to our website. In fact, without HTML, the other languages would not even be usable at all, because let's talk about CSS. CSS is used to styling, is used to style the contents you already have. Now, like I said, HTML provides the content. So without the content, there'll be nothing to style. The same way, maybe JavaScript is not really part of it, but then HTML is really very, very important in web development. So in the next video, we're going to start exploring and digging deep into HTML. We'll talk about tags, fonts, adding pictures, adding multimedia files, and doing lots of cool and amazing things. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. You hit the subscribe button so as to get notification when a new video is dropped. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding.